Removable full-size bassinet. Removable parent organizer for baby essentials. Large wheels with brakes. One-hand locking mechanism. Easy compact fold. Top reviews from the United States. Compared to Graco, yes. My Graco broke, so I needed to replace it. Found this one for a very reasonable price. I used my insert from the Graco, so I still have the bassinet for the newborn stage and it fits perfectly. To the ones complaining about the pad being thin, it's a pack and play. They're supposed to be thin. They sell mattresses made for the size of a pack and play. Just don't use them for a newborn unless they say they're made for newborns. If I was to compare this to the Graco, I would say it's the same quality for a better price.